What is up, everybody? I am Mumphy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining. Today I figured, I haven't washed the car in a bit, but I wanted to try out some cleaning products. So I hit up my local detail shop and I picked up some Chemical Guys cleaning products. Now, I'm not sponsored or paid by Chemical Guys to try this stuff out. I purchased all this myself from my local detail shop. I have tried out the orange cleaner for the wheels, and I figured, you know what, let's give the glass cleaner a shot. And as you can see behind me, I do have the glass cleaner plus a couple of other products that I'm going to test out in a future video. So let's see how this glass cleaner does. Alright guys, I'm going to go blind for you guys, but hey, it's the best way to kind of show you what's going on with the windows. What I have here is glass cleaner. This is from Chemical Guys. It's also ammonia free, and kind of what they told me over at the detail shop is that it's kind of meant for tinted windows. But I've got my microfiber towel here, I've got this glass cleaner, so let's just start on the passenger front window. Make sure that I have it open. That stream and that spray. So we'll just go ahead and spray down the window and then kind of give it a good wipe down here. The microfiber towel. Now the tricky thing with the WeatherTech is that you may not get the top of the window, so you may have to roll the window down just to clean up alongside there. So one of the things to look out for when you're doing rain guards or the wind deflectors. And well, yeah, looks like it cleans the windows pretty well. All right, well, what do you guys think? Did it do a pretty decent job? I think so. Do you necessarily need a specialized window cleaner? You know, I don't know. You probably could get by with some Windex, but I kind of like the fact that it's ammonia free. It's kind of built for tinted windows, and it seems to do a pretty good job. Let's do the rest of the windows. All right, so I do have a big old bug hit right here on the windshield. Just kind of spray that on there. Wipe this down. Get a couple of good wipes over the bug hit. Yeah, took that bug hit off real well. All right, one of the other nice things is you can use it not only on the outside, but you can use it on the inside of the truck as well. One thing I suggest doing when you're doing the inside, instead of spraying this on the windshield and getting it all over your dash, if that's something that you're concerned about, is actually spraying it directly onto your cloth and then wiping down the window. Now, one thing I've noticed when using this product, it can leave a little bit of maybe a protection over the top. I'm not really sure if that's intentional or what, and you just let it kind of dry. I'll show you what it looks like on the tinted side of the window. Okay, we're on my driver's side door here. It is a tinted window. We'll just hit the window real quick. Wipe it down, and it leaves the window nice and clean. I like it. What do you think? Now, one of the more neglected areas is sometimes the back window. So we definitely need to make sure we get this one wiped down. make it look nice and pretty. Now one more area not to forget, obviously, are your side mirrors. Doesn't take much, but it's the little things, right? Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Tell me, what do you think? Is the Chemical Guys glass cleaner worth it? Or maybe a cheaper option like Windex might suit your fancy. You can pick these up on Amazon for as low as about 10 bucks, and then plus or minus shipping depending on where you are. I kind of like it. Works well. It's a small enough bottle. You can also buy a larger concentrate if that's something that you're into. But I'd love to hear what you guys think. What are you guys using out there to clean your windows? And I know I should have washed the truck before I did the windows, but you know what? I got some other stuff that I'm looking to test out and maybe help you guys down the road. If you like this video and you feel like I've earned your subscription, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and on your way out, smash that like button. Appreciate you guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace.